What's up, guys? So we are gonna play some online games that are free. I wanna play Life. Let me see if there's Afterlife. So I'll wait after we play Afterlife. Afterlife. Okay, there's no Afterlife. We're just gonna play Life. I'm so excited because I've been wanting. Oh look, there. Bro, my dad just cursed. I will try. Okay, get one. Dang it. Bro. Oh, that was loud. Study. I don't know, I'm dumb. Okay, 27, 17, 4. I don't know. This is hard. Okay, 5. I know that 5 times 4 is 20. I'm guessing this is 17. I know that this is 27. No. Okay. This must be 2. No, this is 20. This must be 3. And this has to be. This is hard. Okay, so 20, maybe 4, and then this might be 17. What? This is kind of hard. Guys. Okay, 20. 27, 17. We're just gonna do Afterlife because Afterlife is way better than Life. Afterlife, you get to fly. Oh God, Jesus Christ. Life? I don't want to play Life. Yeah, it's gonna get boring. Now, Afterlife. Whoa! A project. Oh. I got hit. She got hit. Leave. No, the stupid knife hit her. The Pope freaking killed her. No, there's flying poops everywhere. Bye. Oh no, she died. Can I? Okay guys, so I'm gonna see you when I finally get this. After 1 hour of doing that, I finally switched to life. I always accidentally skip it, but I don't really want to. Okay, study. Okay, so we have to get this right. This has to be that, and this has to be 27. What the H-E-L-L-L-L-L. Okay, 20. Yes. 17. Boom. Boom. I mean, look, I've tried that 5 times. It has to be 20. Maybe this is 27 and this is 17. I've tried that before too. Maybe this is yes, this is 17. No, I've tried everything. I know that this is maybe it's 3 then. 3. 27. What's wrong with my speakers? Okay. Overqualified. Yes, 17. I don't know. Okay. I've literally tried everything. Do you want me to put 20 here, 17 here, 27 here? No, this is 20. You guys hear that, right? I'm still gonna try Afterlife. Try this again. You know what? I'm just gonna play a different game. Okay. Well, let's see. I know there's some cool gamies on here. Open a restaurant, I don't know. Let's play Uno, because I'm pretty good at Uno. Okay. Oh. You know what? I'm not doing this right now. Reverse it back to him. He's gonna win. Reverse it back to him. Oh. What? That is not fair. We're gonna choose red. What if his colors are all red? Now it's green? Bruh. Are you serious? Okay. I want to put this on. I'm going to put this in. Oh. Blue. Let's do some green. Oh, he has a lot of cards. Oh, it's red now? Oh, I don't. 6. I have 6. Whoa, now I need that. Uno. Uno. Whoa. Uno. Bruh. I don't have an eye. Uno. Bro, why do you keep making me pick a card? Yellow. Uno out. Every time I get one, it keeps making me pick up more cards. Oh no! Oh! Okay. Yes! She has red. Please green, please green. Green. Okay, we're going home. We're not playing this game anymore. Because obviously now I suck at it. It's gonna be hours of editing for me. Let's go home. Okay, so there's like a bunch of games that I think we're gonna play some Happy Wheels. Happy Wheels is like the best game ever created. Gonna get copyrighted. I don't want to play short man. Gonna play short ride. Okay, what? The H. E. Okay, I want this. Oh, but this is terrible.